Another new arrival here at Ruston Park Motors. Today we have a Renault Clio. This is a 1.2 petrol 5-door Dynamique TomTom. So this one's got the built-in sat-nav. Now this is a car we know, we have previously supplied this. It's been traded in for something a little bit bigger. It's done 83,000 miles. Very, very clean little car. Now when we prepared it last time, we did a cam belt and water pump. It will come supplied with a new MOT, a service, and a 3-month warranty. I spec these little TomToms. They've got like a half leather trim. This one's got cruise control. It's got sat nav in the dash. 82,575 miles, that one. So suit a new driver. Would be sensible on the insurance. Nippy, smart looking. We had the alloys refurb before we supplied it last time as well, so they're still very tidy. So it is a nice little car. So more pictures on the website, that's rustonparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give us a call 07868 722 133.